Welcome to your channel, The Ancients. I'm your host, Dr. Mohar M. Ghosh, and I'm an astrology, numerology, and Vastu expert. The video I bought for you today on your very own channel, The Ancients, is about the benefits of the mango tree. But before we go on to that, let me request all those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel or are coming onto to the channel for the first time to kindly subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that you get an update every time I release a new video for you. I started this channel in February 2021 to share with you the essence of astrology, numerology, and Vastu so that you can enjoy a life filled with harmonious relationships, good health, good fortune, prosperity, and peace of mind. Please also feel welcome to share these videos with your friends and family and encourage them to subscribe too so that they too can benefit by the astrology, numerology, and Vastu tips and principles which I'm sharing with you. Coming back to our video, the mango tree is a very auspicious plant as per Vastu. The mango is called as the king of fruits. It survives for 400 to 500 years and should be planted on the southern or western side just outside your compound wall or adjacent to your compound wall. Planting a mango tree is said to welcome wisdom, peace, luck, and good fortune into your home. As per Indian astrology, Vastu, and Sanatana Dharma, there are multiple uses of the mango tree and benefits of using the leaves and the other parts of the mango tree. Let's start with some simple, very simple, powerful remedies. On festivals, tie 11 mango trees together, which is called a Toran as per Sanatan Dharma or astrology and Vastu. These 11 mango trees are tied on a thread, sacred thread, and hung on top of your entrances, especially the main door. When you do this, especially on festivals, you invite lot of prosperity and happiness into your home. Ma Lakshmi and Lord Vishnu are said to go and reside at homes where the 11 mango leaves Toran is there. If you do it periodically every 3 days, it will increase your immunity and give you a lot of health benefits. It removes nazar dosha or evil eye from your home and it welcomes harmonious relationships. If your child is frequently ill, try out this remedy. It will work wonders for you. While tying the 11 mango leaves together, remember Lord Brahma or Vastu Purush. There will be immense benefits. Like I said, it removes the evil eye, brings happiness, prosperity, improves immunity and health, and promotes harmonious relationships between the family members. All Hindus know about the Kalash, the sacred pot which is kept in every puja and even frequently at homes. It is decorated with 5 mango leaves along with sindoor. If you keep this at your main entrance or at your home, it will always invite positive energies into your home and remove all negativity. If an astrologer has told you that you have Vastu dosha on your east, then make a swastik out of mango wood and place it on your eastern wall. See the benefits, all the doshas will disappear by themselves. Havan, puja, where we do havan with ghee, lot of other items. It's like a fire puja. Do the havan with mango wood. It reduces the evil eye, removes the Narada dosha from your home, removes the Vastu doshas, removes all negativity and evil energies from your home, and enhances positivity and positive energies at your home. The mango tree, as I've already said, should be planted a bit away outside your compound wall, not immediately inside your compound wall, because it tends to affect the children. If you have already done so that you have it already inside your compound wall, then plant an additional Ashoka, Neem and coconut tree accordingly. For how to plant these trees and where to plant these trees, please see my earlier videos on auspicious trees and plants for your home. Always the mango tree should be on the western side or southern side, just outside your compound. It brings lot of benefits. It stabilizes your finances, brings in positivity, progress in career and business, and harmony. When someone dies, as per Sanatan Dharma or Hindu Dharma, we burn them. If we burn them using mango wood, they are assured of moksha, and it's considered very auspicious for the whole family. I'm giving you a very wonderful tip when you're going out for some very critical work which has the ability to influence your life itself. Carry a small piece of mango wood in your pocket when you're going for such critical work. It will give you a lot of benefits. However, don't do this very often for small works. You'll start to generate negative energies and harm your prospects. Major critical works, like you're going to buy a home, you're signing $1 million deal, contract, you're selling your home, you're going for a meeting, major interview, job interview, right? That time carry a small piece of mango root in your pocket. It will give you a lot of benefits. Your work will get done very easily. Plant 5 mango trees at your home on the south or west side, just outside your compound, and your 4 generations will be blessed with positivity, and your business will prosper from generation to generation. If you are suffering from Shani or Rahu problems, take black sesame seeds and a spoonful of milk and water the mango plant along with this mixture, or put this mixture of black sesame seeds and milk on the roots of the mango plant. Your problems will start getting resolved. Friends, I have shared with you 10 major benefits of having a mango tree in your garden. I request you once again, kindly do subscribe to the channel and also encourage your friends and family members to subscribe to the channel. Please also share these videos with them so that they too are benefited with the essence of astrology, numerology and Vastu, which I share with you on these videos. Our mission is to ensure that you live a life filled with harmonious relationships, good health, wealth, prosperity, and success. Till we meet again with another very informative video on your very own channel, The Ancients. Good luck, all the best, stay safe.